Hey there, Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we dive into this reading, reminders everyone that this is not for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. And if you feel that this reading is for you, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, wala tayong gender dito at timeless din po ito. Meron tayong new channel all about Taurus. So kung kayo ay Taurus at meron kayong Taurus Amy in your natal chart or you're dealing with the Taurians or with the Taurus, you might want to check that out. The link is in the description box. So, yan. Ang pangalan ng channel na yan ay all about Taurus. So, let's see. Ano bang mga mensahe for you guys dito sa Sagittarius? So, if you're hearing something in the background, yeah, I'm sorry about that. It's out of my control, mga babes. So, let's just focus in the reading. Spirits and angel guides, can you please show me messages for Sagittarius, please? Messages for Sagittarius, please. Okay. So, let's see kung anong mga mensahe for you, Sagittarius. So, we have here the mature man, and we have here the privileged lady, and we also have the great fortune. Looks like you could be dealing others of you. This is literally an age gap right here. Could probably 5 years or 12 years ang pagitan ninyo, but doesn't have to be for everybody. What I pick up is pwede rin nakaedad mo siya, okay? Pero marami siya ritong napagdaanan na sa life, no, na naging matured siya. Pwedeng mas marami siyang experiences in life, no? So, nakita ko rito. At isa itong tao, no, na matalino na at pinagtibay na talaga ng panahon dito. So, whoever this individual is, successful din siya dito. Lumalabas, no, that with the great fortune, hindi lang siya successful dito dahil meron siyang money or fame. Maybe this person right here is also someone who will bring abundance and healing in your life. So, I can see mga babes, no, this looks like a wedding gown to me. So, I think whoever energies are resonating here in this reading, I pick up that this is someone that you're gonna marry with. And I love the energy because this is someone here who has this matured approach, no, in all areas of his or her life, no. And because of that, this is the type of person who listens and who choose to understand, no, kaysa magnag. So, whoever this individual is, I'm picking up that this is someone here na talagang pakakasalan ka, no. At tingnan mo naman yung tinginan niya sa'yo, no. This person here is focused, no. Parang marami na siya ritong napuntahan ng mga lugar. Pwedeng hindi lang dito sa Philippines, kundi outside the world din. Marami na rin siya ritong napuntahan ng mga vacation sa ibang countries or baka sa business trips niya. So, nakita ko rito that this is someone here, no, na pwedeng yung trabaho niya, okay, is moving into one place or another, pwedeng nakikipag-meeting, okay. I'm hearing proposals, okay, it could be business proposals, it could be businesses dito, no, in different parts of the countries or the country or in other countries as well. So, whatever the case may be, I'm picking up someone here na wealthy or marami siya rito kasaganahan sa kanyang life, no? Ang nakikita ko na paparating sa'yo. And with great fortune, I think this type of connection is coming in really slow, no? Kasi parang nakukuha ko sa kanya, medyo may pagka-shy type siya, no? Tsaka parang like today, no, as you can see, ang dami kong bakal, no, so pwedeng hindi niya alam, pwedeng I'm hearing torpe, so baka natutorpe siya pagdating sa kanyang pagsabi ng emotions with you. And yeah, because you look so gorgeous mga babes, no, kahit hindi ka suotan ng magarang damit, no, babae, lalaki, okay, you look really stunning, no, mukhang na-capture ng yung beauty, no. And yeah, okay, this person is going madly in love with you. Yan. So, let's see more. Oo, no, para pakasalan ka niya. Hindi pa ba siya in love na in love dun? So, let's see more. Tell me more about this for my Sagittarius, please. Look at that. We have here the Seven of Swords energy. This person is being a little bit protective right here, no? Kasi ayaw kanya rito mawala. So, yung mga galawan niya rito, no, is this person is coming in really slow, pero this person is protecting this connection with you. So, whoever this individual is, medyo nakakaramdam tayo ng konting kaba, no, sa kanyang side. Especially siguro kapag ka I'm hearing engagement. Yeah. So, especially siguro pag magpo-propose na siya sa'yo rito, na para siya rito napapaatras, no? Kaya siguro siya nagbabakal, mga babes. Diba? Let's see. Kumbaga sa ML, para siyang na-stand. Napatigil siya. Yan, no? See? Four of Swords energy. Yeah, this is a healing type of connection. And with the King of Cups, see, a lot of them prepare for some kind of a confession right here, because this person is about to tell you. This is a dagger. This is, looks like a little sword here, okay? So, expect some kind of a communication na pwedeng pakunti-kunti, no, is pagiging obvious niya na sa'yo rito na meron siyang feelings at emotions for you. Yeah, because this person sees you as someone here, no, na talagang, sabi ko sa inyo, this person is a little shy. This person is a bit protective about this connection here with you. Ayaw kanyang mawalan, or ayaw ka rin naman niya rito na mabigla. But with the Nine of Swords, no, hindi talaga ikaw mawala sa kanyang isipan. This person, no, I'm hearing, maybe this is a pretty boy or a pretty girl, or you are for this person, you are the pretty boy or pretty girl, because we heard the M to M's, no, like I lie awake and pray. Yeah, alam niyo yung song na yun, you're my pretty pretty boy. Yeah, diba? I love you. Yeah, no? So, this person really finds you pretty. And I think, no, may tsura rin tong tao na to. Actually, both of you. Because the energy is going both sides, no? So, I think you are both attractive individual here. And with the world card, sabi ko sa inyo, marami na siyang napuntahan rito. Marami na rin siyang na-conquer na world. This person even move mountains here. This person right here wants to travel with you. Okay? Kasi I think this person is traveling alone. Ako, nakakita ako ng kasama niya, pero parang secretary yun, or someone na kasama niya sa work, no? Yun lang yung lagi niya kasama. And there you are, no? When you enter into this person's life, no? Ikaw na yung makakasama niya rito. Yeah, and this person is so excited na ipakita sa'yo rito, no? Yung mga magagandang mga tourist spots, might be in his or her country, because others of them, they could be foreigners, okay, but doesn't have to be applicable to everybody, okay? So nakikita ko rito na kung hindi man siya foreigner, this person wants to show you all the beautiful things na alam niya na ikakaligaya mo, no? So I can see that this person is actually getting serious and serious about you each day. So, habang lumilipas ang mga oras at panahon, mas lalo siya nagiging seryoso sa'yo, Sagittarius. And with the Four of Wands, so what did I told you earlier? It's about the marriage, okay? It's like this person is manifesting you. We have here the universe. This person could possibly be co-creating with the universe and bringing in a positive outcome or result in this. Kaya nga siguro narinig natin yung engagement, because this person is about, okay, to propose his or her love. It's a confession of his or her love for you. Like, this person wants to settle down with you. This person wants to marry you and be a part of his whole world here. This person is willing to share with you every achievements and every success that, yeah, I'm meaning wins. So, this person could probably want to share with you all, okay, the winning moments na magkakaroon pa siya. This person wants you to cheer for him or her. This person wants you right by his or her side. Yan, nakikita natin dito. And with the Hermit, yeah, prepare. But this person is, alam mo, ito yung sa runner, diba? Ready. 'Diba? Tapos nakaposisyon na siya dyan. This person is about to speak his or her truth. Okay? Kung papansin niyo, this person is someone that is being guided right here by the angels and spirit guides with the wings, okay, that we're seeing here. So I can see that this person is preparing, okay, on how to tell you this big confession of love. So expect some kind of a confession coming from a mature man or woman right here. This person is actually serious about you. So hindi ko siya nakikitang nagluluko or luko-luko dito, no? At saka itong tao na to, no, ayaw niya sa mga tao na social climber, gold digger. I don't know why I'm picking that up. Maybe naka-experience na siya, no, kumunik sa mga yon. And this person actually do not want those kind of people. Yan. So maybe that is an added information, no, from this person. At the bottom of the deck, we have here the Knight of Cups, an offer. Kasi nga nagre-ready na siya. This person cannot afford losing you. Nine of Swords energy, na kung wala pa siyang gagawin, baka mawala ka sa buhay niya. So I can see an offer right here. And with the Ten of Swords, yun na nga, idadrop niya na nga rito mga babes ang lahat ng burdens dito, no? Kasama na yung mga burdens in the past na pinag-betrayan siya, at baka yun na nga yung gold digger, social climber, no? Yung mga humabol lang sa kanya dahil siya ay successful or wealthy, no? Lahat yun ay tinatapos niya na, no? Ibinabagsak niya na, no? So I can see that this person right here, yan, with the phases of the moon, nakikita ko, no, na finally this offer is about to, okay, be communicated sa'yo. Yan, no? So thank you so much, Sagittarius. Yan, baka mamit mo ito sa ibang bansa, yun na nakukuha ko rito, or mamit mo ito kapag ka ikaw ay nagbiyahe or nag-travel. So, thank you so much mga babes. Sarang ngayon, love and life. Annyeong!